Hello everyone. In this class, we are going to discuss about prepositions. Okay. There are many words in preposition. Okay. First five we will discuss in this class. Okay. You just see what are the words: in, on, under, near, behind. Where we have to use these words in the sentence. Okay. Aptly we have to fix that particular word in that sentence. Okay. Let us learn that. Before that, we have to know the definition for preposition. Okay. You just listen carefully and open your ears. Okay. First, preposition. Preposition is a word which shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun or some other word in a sentence. Okay. Again, I am repeating. Preposition is a word which shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun or some other word in a sentence. Okay. That is the definition for preposition. Okay. We use preposition to talk about where the things, animals or people are. Okay. They are placed before the noun, and preposition that tells the place or position of someone or something are called the preposition of place or preposition of position. Okay. I mean where we use the preposition to talk about where the things, animals or people or they are placed before a noun. Okay. Are you clear the definition for preposition? Okay, let us learn this. Okay, you just see here, this is the tree. I'm right. This is the tree, and here you just see, you just consider this is a bird, and this is the nest. It is a nest, and there is a branch in the tree. Okay, here also you just consider this is the tree, and it is the nest, and this is the branch, and this is the bird. Okay, here also you just see tree, bird, nest and branches. Okay, here branch, nest and then bird, tree. Okay, are you clear? You have to find out, okay, where the bird is placed. Okay, you have to find out where the bird is placed. Okay, first you just see the picture. Okay, for these things you have to answer. Okay, let us learn. First, here I told you that you just consider it as tree and branch, nest as well as bird. Okay, where is the bird? Okay, where is the bird? It is a nest and this is the bird. Okay, where the bird is placed? In. I'm right. Okay, in. So, where the bird is placed? உள்ளதானே இருக்கு. So, அதனால நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? The bird is placed in the nest. Okay, the bird is placed in the nest. Okay, here you just see the bird is dash the nest. Okay, this is the nest. Where is the bird? In the nest. Okay, inside. Okay, எங்க இருக்கு? உள்ளதானே இருக்கு. So அதனால in the nest. Okay, you just write it as in the nest. Okay, and come to the second picture. Here, this is the tree and this is the branch. This is the nest and here is the bird. Am I right? So here, where is the bird? It's nearer to the tree. Okay, tree ku பக்கத்துல இருக்கு. Okay, so near. Okay, the bird is near to the tree. So here the bird is near the tree. Near na என்னது? பக்கத்துல இருக்குது, அருகாமையில் இருக்குது. அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Near அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Here you just see இன்னனா உள்ள இருக்குது. இங்க பக்கத்துல இருக்குது. அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Near, கிட்ட அருகாமையில இருக்கு அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம்ல. சோ அதுதான். The bird is near the tree. And come to the third picture. Here you just consider this as a tree and here there is two branches. Here is the nest and here is the bird. Okay, where is the bird is placed? It is in nest? No, there is two branches. It is in nest? No. Okay, so then you just see where is the bird? It is, the bird is on the branch. Okay, the bird is on the branch. Okay, here you just see the bird is on the branch. On in the sense மேல இருக்கு. எது மேல இருக்கு? branch க்கு மேல இருக்கு. So you just write it as on. Okay, எது மேல இருக்கு? branch க்கு மேல இருக்கு. இங்க செகண்ட் பிரான்ச்ல என்ன இருக்கு? நெஸ்ட் இருக்கு. ஓகே, ஹியர் bird எங்க இருக்கு? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இருக்கிற பிரான்ச்க்கு மேல இருக்கு. ஓகே, so on. Are you clear? And come to the fourth one. You just see, you just consider it as a tree, and here is one branch, and here is the nest. And where is the bird? You have to find out. Here is the bird. I'm right. So here you just see the bird is under. கீழ தான இருக்கு? tree க்கு கீழ இருக்கு. So under the tree. Okay, the bird is under the tree. Okay, எங்க இருக்கு? கீழ இருக்கு. tree க்கு கீழ இருக்கு. கீழ இருந்தா என்னது? under. Okay, so the bird is under the tree. Okay, the bird is under the tree. And come to the fifth picture. You just see, you just consider it as a tree, and here is no branches, and here you just see, where is the bird? பின்னாடில எட்டி பார்க்கலாம். So where is the bird? பின்னாடி இருக்கு. Okay, so you have to write it as behind. Behind என்னது? பின்னாடி. ஓகேவா? beside னா பக்கத்துல, behind னா என்னது? பின்னாடி. ஓகே, எங்க எது பின்னாடி இருக்கு? tree க்கு பின்னாடி இருக்கு. The bird is behind the tree. Okay, the bird is behind the tree. Okay, again I am repeating, you just listen carefully. Preposition is a word which shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and then some other word in a sentence. Okay, some other word in a sentence. Okay, where it is placed, that's the thing, is a preposition. I mean in, on, under, near, behind. Okay, where we have to use these words in the sentence. Okay, in na enna? Ulla. Okay, and then on enna? Mala. Next, under na enna? Adila. Okay va? Next, near, பக்கத்துல. near na பக்கத்துல. behind, பின்னாடி. Okay, so again I am saying, first you just see the first picture. Where is the word? in. Okay, it is next குள்ள தான இருக்கு. bird எங்க இருக்கு? உள்ள இருக்கு. so in. and come to the second picture. bird எங்க இருக்கு? எங்க கிட்ட இருக்கு? tree கிட்ட இருக்கு. I'm right. so tree கிட்ட இருந்துச்சுனா அது என்னது? nearer. ஓகேவா? nearer-ஆ இருக்கு. கிட்ட இருக்கு. so write it as near. and come to the third picture. இங்க two branches இருக்கு. okay, ரெண்டு branch இருக்கு. இங்க nest இருக்கு. எங்க bird இருக்கு? branchக்கு மேல. மேல இருந்தா என்ன? on. Okay, so write it as on. and come to the fourth one. where is the bird? எங்க இருக்கு? கீழ இருக்கு. tree இங்க இருக்கு. tree-யா இருக்கு? இல்ல, கீழ. இந்த grassy landல இருக்கு. அதாவது lawnல இருக்கு. so அப்பனா எங்க இருக்கு? under. கீழ இருக்கு. tree-க்கு underல இருக்கு. so write it as under. Okay, and come to the third picture. Sorry, we finished the third one. and come to the fourth picture. bird எங்க இருக்கு? பின்னாடில இருந்து எட்டி பாக்குதா? so behind. okay, பின்னாடில இருக்குறது என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? behind. okay, are you clear with this? okay, shall I test you? you just see this flashcards. okay, here, where is the book? you have to answer. is it visible for you? okay, where is the book? where is the book? teacher is there, and board is there, table is there, and where is the book? எங்க இருக்கு? டேபிளுக்கு மேல இருக்கு. so on the table. கரெக்ட்டா? மேல இருந்தா என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? on சொல்லுவோமா? இங்க you just see, bird is on the branch. branchக்கு மேல இருந்துச்சு. ஓகேவா? அதனால நம்ம என்ன போட்டோம்? on போட்டோம். இங்க பாரு, book எங்க இருக்கு? டேபிளுக்கு மேல இருக்கு. so என்ன எழுதுவோம்? on the table. the book is on the table. okay, and come to the next picture. where is the parrot? where is the parrot? on the branch. okay, இங்க ஒன்னு பார்த்தோம்ல, on the branch. bird எங்க இருக்குது? on the branch. branchக்கு மேல இருக்குது. and come to the next one. where is the boy? where is the boy hides? where is the boy hides? you just find out. கீழ தான இருக்கான். டேபிளுக்கு கீழ என்ன பண்ணிருக்கான்? ஹைட் பண்ணிருக்கான், மறைஞ்சிருக்கான். so where is the boy? under. underனா என்ன? கீழ. ஓகேவா? டேபிளுக்கு கீழ ஒளிஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கான். so அப்பனா என்ன எழுதணும்? the boy is under the table. the boy hides under the table. okay, are you clear? and you just see the next one. here this is the capsicum and here is two baskets over here. You just see the first basket is filled with fruits and second basket is filled with what? Vegetables. Okay, you just see the fruits are in, okay, I mean inside the basket. உள்ளதன வச்சிருக்காங்க fruits எல்லாம். இங்க பாருங்க vegetables are inside the basket. Okay, that is in the basket. இங்க ரெண்டு மட்டும் கீழ இருக்கு. So அதுக்கு என்ன எழுதுவோம்? cabbage கீழ இருக்கு, beetroot கீழ இருக்கு. So என்ன எழுதுவோம்? So under the basket கொஞ்சம் கிட்ட இருந்துச்சுனா என்னது? near. Okay, near-ஓ எழுதலாம். Are you clear? Okay. If you have any query in this topic, you just ask me. Surely I will make it clear. Thank you so much for your watching.